Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to give updates on the Polkadot crowdloan and also talk about the Bitgreen and their crowdloan. And so it's very interesting. First of all, the Polkadot crowdloan, right now we get several projects ongoing. And so you may notice that last time the eventers already won the crowdloan. That's not surprising. And now the crust is needing the current slot. But we noticed something interesting, like the Bitgreen, Omni BTC, and the Arjuna network. So Arjuna network and Bitgreen, they have self-funded, but they also have a Bitgreen also have the crowdloan that you can contribute. And so I tried to find out the announcement, but I didn't find anything, and I'm worried the Bitgreen is another kind of a kining accident, like they want to self-fund, but somehow they have some wrong like setup, and then people can contribute. Maybe that's the case, but I'm not sure. So I probably need to wait a little bit. But if you are not familiar with Bitgreen, actually there is a good video from Kusamaria. Let's just go ahead and watch that.
Sir, have you heard about Bitgreen? Bitgreen is a Layer 1 blockchain built for sustainability on Polkadot and aiming to use the blockchain to drive capital to sustainability initiatives.
Okay, great job. So now we have basic idea about Bitgreen, and you can check their website. So their mission is to combine blockchain technology and green innovation to drive capital into critically important sustainability initiatives. And then they also claim, if you go to the end, they claim the Bitgreen consumes 99.9% less energy than traditional blockchains. And so this looks like very promising, and we all like this, the carbon, right, emission, green energy, right? These are all the good things we want to support. And so now, in order to support them, we can try to participate in the crowdloan. But I'm not sure whether this is a mistake or really they want to have the crowdloan, because from the parachain it shows two of them, right? One is self-funded and another one is from the crowdloan. And so if any of you have any idea, please let me know. Like I didn't see anything about the crowdloan here. So now I will go ahead to show you how to contribute, and hopefully, I hope it's not a mistake. So if it's not, then we can contribute. I'm going to put 5 dots and just click the button contribute, and then you need to sign. Okay, and that's it. You make a contribution to the crowdloan, and you can see the contribution immediately. That's 5 dots. But again, like as I said, I didn't see the official announcement, so I don't know what kind of rewards I'm going to get actually. So I don't want to put too many. Just as a demo for the educational purpose, I put 5 dots and show you how to contribute. And so please leave a comment if you know anything more about the Bitgreen. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.